Hey guys, it's your guy Abrazak Otokiti. I welcome you to this short tutorial on Microsoft Excel 2016 for data analytics. Today we're going to be looking at upper, lower, and proper case in Excel 2016. Guys, most of the time, information submitted to your organizational web portal or information collected via an online survey are not properly formatted. They are not the data in those data sets are not consistent. And if your boss give that particular data set collected via those online platforms for you to analyze so that they can take a prompt decision on what to do with their client, you need to first of all clean the data sets and make sure that the information on the data sets are properly formatted. So guys, I'm going to show you how to format those information in the data set using uppercase, lowercase, or proper case. So without much further delay, let's get to it. So to format this particular information, the names in this particular data set to upper, lower, or proper case, we use equal to, then we write upper. So when you click upper, then you click on the row that you want to format to uppercase. You click enter. You see the Aristly was initially in uppercase, and it's still, when we format it to uppercase, it's still in uppercase. So now for us, you see the last name now of Aristly is Reina. So now for us to format this Reina to uppercase, we simply move the cell to the right. You see that Reina has been formatted to uppercase. And now for us to do same for the entire data set, we simply double click on the data. Then you see that the rest of the data set has been formatted to uppercase. So let's take, for example, now we want to format all the names, both the first and the last name, to a lowercase. You simply press equal to, then write lower, then open bracket, then select the cell, then and hit enter. You see that Aristly that was formerly in uppercase has been converted to a lowercase. So for us to format Reina, which is the last name of Aristly, to a lowercase, we simply shift the cell, then it will automatically copy the formula for the last name since it is next to the first name. So now you see that Aristly has been formatted to a lowercase, then Reina also has been formatted to a lowercase. Then for us to do same for the rest, we just double click and you see that it has been formatted to a lowercase. So for us to format it to a proper case, simply write proper, then select the cell, close bracket, hit enter. You see that Aristly has been formatted to a proper case. Then for us to do same for Reina, we simply copy it to the right. Then you see that Reina has been formatted to a proper case. So for us to do same for the remaining data sets, we simply double click. Guys, this is how you do case formatting in Excel 2016. Thanks for your time. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your time. I appreciate. See you next time. Thank you.